Hello, I'm Frank Divers, founder of Business Development Specialist. We shorten that to BDS. We're no ordinary consultancy, so my message isn't going to be ordinary. BDS is all about one thing: helping you, our client, accomplish what you are seeking. You tell us what you're looking for, and we tell you if we can be of value. BDS has been in business for over 16 years, but collectively, my team has over 150 years experience. I guess you might say we pretty much know what we can and can't do. Once we know what you're all about and what you are looking for, we will either get it, and if so, we'll propose an engagement. But if not, we'll simply say, sorry, can't help, and bid you farewell. No harm, no foul, and no cost to you. The best way for BDS to avoid client situations is to simply not go where we feel we can't bring value. And by operating in that manner for all these years, we have never had a client issue. So what do we do exactly? The answer: whatever it takes to help you accomplish what you're seeking. Pretty simple answer, huh? Whatever it takes. More times than I can even remember, I still get the response, but what do you mean by that? And my answer is always the same: whatever it takes. We cannot and we will not be put in a box labeled marketing company, advertising agency, business consultant, investment banker, or whatever. No, it's not who we are, and it's not how we operate. With every client, we identify what, based on our experience, is needed in order to accomplish your objectives, and we advise and work with you accordingly to carry out the mission. We are a team of business professionals with real experience in starting, growing, and taking companies to the next level. In fact, we are experts. As a business owner or chief executive, to be successful, you pretty much have to have an understanding of all aspects of your business. At BDS, we look at business as a game. Games are meant to be played for fun with the desired outcome to win. Why would you want to be in business and work at something that isn't fun? Doesn't make any sense, does it? Having worked alongside and witnessing some of the greatest coaches of all times, we know that winning the game comes down to essentially three things. Number one, you gotta have the players respective of what their role is. Number two, you have to have the right playbook according to how your competition stacks up against you and by what it takes to attract and retain your target market or markets. And number three, everyone has to play as a team with one goal and one purpose in mind, and that is win. The bigger you want your business to become, the more critical each of these three requirements. Wisdom comes from experience. Experience comes from time, hard work, and yes, even mistakes. BDS is a team of wise, experienced entrepreneurs. When you work with our team, you tap into more experience across more areas of business than you could gain in several lifetimes. In closing, here's a bit of free expert advice. No strings attached. Now, you ready for this? All businesses are essentially the same. Someone is selling something, whether it be a product or service, and someone is buying. Understanding what the product or service is, well, that's simply a matter of knowledge. Anyone with half a grain of intelligence can study and learn everything they need to know from a knowledge perspective. So at the end of the day, everything comes down to simply this: the selling process. We are experts in that space. I call it the psychology of a sale, and we are more than happy to be challenged in that area. The greater the challenge, the bigger the victory. When all is said and done, that's what we look for: a big win. So then, our motto of whatever it takes applies to invest in our time, our talents, and our network of contacts to first determine what it will take to deliver on your desired results. And once we're sold on the fact that our recommendations are spot on and you agree with us, then we hit the ground running, and what starts as a short-term engagement can turn into a long-term relationship as we work alongside you and your team to win the game. There you have it. BDS. Whatever it takes for you to get what you desire out of life, and most especially your business. Thank you.